Thank you for joining us at the Empowered Influential Awards 2020 virtual event, presented by Spectrum Health. Congratulations to Dilli Gautam, a 2020 Empowered Influential Award honoree. Dilli Gautam, President of the Bhutanese Community of Michigan, is being honored with a 2020 Empowered Influential Connector Award.
Thank you. My name is Dilli Gautam and I am the President of the Bhutanese Community of Michigan. I am honored to be selected as an Empowered Influential Award 2020 Connector Honoree. Since we settled in West Michigan, I have been working with the local organizations to embrace and empower refugees by providing adequate resources. I believe that new Americans should be considered while creating social, economic, and political changes. Thank you.
Introducing Empowered Talent, a diverse job board and talent center, advancing opportunities for Black, Hispanic, Asian Pacific, and Indigenous Native American students and professionals in West Michigan. Find your next internship, career, or diverse hire at talent.empoweredx.com.